Welcome back. In this video, we'll cover more Selenium interview questions, this time with some advanced topics and framework concepts. What are the different types of weights in Selenium? Selenium has 3 types of weights. Implicit weight, waits for a set time before throwing an error. Explicit weight, waits for a condition to be true. Fluent weight, checks every few seconds for a condition. What is the difference between implicit wait and explicit wait? This sets a default wait time for the whole test script. If Selenium can't find an element right away, it waits for the set time before throwing an error. It applies to all elements globally. Explicit wait. This wait is smarter. It waits for a specific condition, like an element becoming clickable, visible, or present on the page. You use it when some elements load slower than others. How do you handle dynamic elements in Selenium? Use XPath or CSS selectors that can handle changes. You can also use contains, starts with, or wait until the element is ready. What is Page Object Model, POM? POM is a way to write clean test code. You keep each web page's elements and actions in one class. This makes tests easy to read and update. What is the difference between POM and Page Factory? POM uses regular find element, calls. Page Factory uses it find by and loads elements faster with lazy loading. How do you handle multiple browser windows in Selenium? Use get window handles to get all window IDs. Switch between them using switch to .window window ID. How do you handle iFrames in Selenium? Use driver.switch to .frame with index, name, or element. To exit the frame, use switch to .default content. How do you scroll a page in Selenium WebDriver? Use JavaScript to scroll the page. Selenium doesn't have a built-in scroll method. This scrolls down 500 pixels. You can also scroll to a specific element. How do you integrate Selenium with TestNG or JUnit? Write test methods with @test. Use @before method and @after method to set up and clean up. Run tests and view reports using the TestNG or JUnit runner. What is the purpose of a test automation framework? A test automation framework gives your testing process structure and organization. It helps you write cleaner, faster, and more reusable test scripts. Instead of writing everything from scratch, you set up a system with reusable code for things like launching the browser, logging in, or handling waits. It also helps you separate test data, test logic, and UI locators, making your code easier to maintain when the application changes. Most frameworks support reports, logging, and screenshots, so you can quickly see what passed, failed, or broke. It saves time, reduces manual work, and improves test coverage and accuracy. That wraps up part 2. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. More Selenium content coming soon.